Germany went to war with a plan. A fast plan, a short plan, win quickly, force surrender, move on. But that isn't the war Germany fought. This is the story of the war Hitler prepared for and the one he actually fought.
Germany did not plan for a long war. Its economy was stretched, resources were limited, fuel was scarce. The strategy depended on speed. Strike fast, end wars early, avoid long struggles.
Blitzkrieg wasn't just military theory, it was necessity. Germany couldn't afford years of fighting. Fast victories meant less fuel, less manpower, less pressure on industry. Short wars were survival. At first, it worked. Poland fell fast. France collapsed quickly. Success created confidence. Confidence became arrogance. Germany believed speed could solve everything.
Then the war changed. Britain refused to surrender. The Soviet Union entered. The United States followed. Short wars became one massive conflict. Germany had no plan for this.
Long wars consumed resources. Fuel vanished first, then spare parts, then manpower. Factories couldn't keep up. Supply lines stretched too far. Speed no longer mattered.
Germany prepared for movement, but reality demanded endurance. Defensive lines, attrition, years of grinding war. This was the war Germany feared most.
There was no exit plan, no economic reset, no diplomatic escape. Once the war slowed, Germany was trapped.
Hitler planned for speed. History demanded endurance. And in that mismatch, the war was lost. If you want more hidden stories from World War II, subscribe for the next episode. Because history isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers.